Hi, I'm Stefano at British English Lessons. Today we're going to look at pronunciation. And for this example, we're going to look at regular verbs. Regular verbs. The two regular verbs that we're going to use in this example are walked and talked. Now you will notice that both these verbs follow the general rule, which is that the ED at the end is not stressed. Walked, talked. Now, English is not the most phonetic of languages, so this can cause some problems for students who can hear that this is one syllable and that this is one syllable, but naturally want to try and stress the end. Maybe say walked or talked. But the correct pronunciation is walked and talked. Now, one way we can practice this is consider that the part in red is voiced. So you need air from your chest to say these words. Walk, talk. Okay, so as a suggestion, what we could do is practice the bare verb, walk. Walk. This for many is the easiest part to say. And then the M part is voiceless, which means we don't use the body, air, breath to say this part of the word. It's created by movement of the tongue. Now, if you imagine the teeth at the front of the mouth, so here are the teeth, and this is the roof of the mouth. The tongue is here. Now, to perform this sound, if you imagine saying tea, as in a cup of tea, tea. But now try and say tea without using your breath or your chest. It's almost as if you're able to disconnect the head and the body. You would say, you can try it. This would enable you to pronounce walked, walked. This would also enable you to pronounce talked. So this is just an example of a pronunciation class. But for this and many other things, please visit our site www.britishenglish.com. Thank you.